Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about All India Institute of Medical Sciences Raipur Masters in Public Health program. So what can you expect from this video? In this video I'll be talking about All India Institute of Medical Sciences Raipur, how many seats are available for Masters in Public Health program, what is the eligibility criteria for Masters in Public Health. See, one more point I would like to tell, don't think that all AIIMS institute have the same eligibility criteria. It is different for Rishikesh, it is different for Raipur, so everybody has their own eligibility criteria. Coming to fee structure also, it's very less compared to Rishikesh or all other institutes. Entrance exam syllabus, preparation strategy, and how to they select candidates. So let's start our video with the eligibility criteria. I'll tell you who are eligible to apply in AIIMS Raipur. Candidates with MBBS degree, dental sciences, Ayurveda, homeopathy, naturopathy and yogic sciences, Unani medicine, Siddha medicine, all these degrees are eligible. Apart from that, BTech or BE, it might be any branch, veterinary sciences, nursing sciences, physiotherapy, occupational therapy, pharmacy are eligible. Apart from UG degrees, who have done post graduation in stats or biostats, demography, population studies, nutrition, sociology, economics, psychology, anthropology, social work, management or law are eligible. See, one more thing I would like to tell you. Let's take an example. If a student, she have studied BSc psychology, okay, she have not done MSc psychology. Soon after BSc psychology she wanted to do MPH. She is not eligible in Raipur. After your post graduation only you are eligible. That is why they have mentioned these degrees. I hope I am clear with the eligibility criteria. So there are total 10 seats in AIIMS Raipur. 4 seats are under sponsored category and 6 seats are for general, like private. Everybody can apply to this. Sponsored category, only government employees can apply to this, and sponsored category they'll have particular eligibility criteria for that. Non-sponsored category, every student can apply in this category. Coming to fee structure of MPH at AIIMS Raipur, it's 5,846 rupees only. See, like all over India, I think AIIMS Raipur and some other institutes only have this low fee for Masters in Public Health program. It's really a bonus point for students who are interested to study at AIIMS Raipur. Coming to mode of selection, there will be a written test and there will be an interview by subject expert. Coming to entrance exam syllabus and pattern, see, AIIMS Rishikesh is of different pattern, AIIMS Raipur is of different pattern. You will have a written exam which consists of 70 MCQs. Tomorrow I'll release a video of AIIMS MPH syllabus. Kindly check out that if you are a student who is preparing for Masters in Public Health at AIIMS, and your interview consists of 30 marks. This is their official website. Once the notification is out, you can go to this particular website and you can click on the link apply online. Then you have to enter all your details and fill the form. Any doubts, feel free to comment. This is my Insta ID. I'll be posting all the public health updates and preventive and social medicine notes. If you are a student who is interested in public health, you can follow me on Instagram. It will be helpful for you. It will enhance your educational skills and as well as professional skills also. If you have felt that this video is helpful for you, please do like the video. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful for you, can you spare a second for me and like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if it's been helpful for you. Take care, stay safe, stay home. See you all tomorrow.